Now we're going to look at the trade I took. So entry with the immediate rebalance. Stop loss just above that inversion fair value gap. Yeah, I entered with the 5-minute chart. So right now I want to see some expansion. Taking partial at low hanging fruit. So right now, yeah, it's a 5-minute immediate rebalance and also it's a 1-minute fair value gap. So ideally I do not want to see it poke back to the fair value gap, and I don't want to see the fair value gap midpoint gets filled. Typing, I want to see some expansion in the next 3 minutes, or else it's just a low resistance run and I'll just cut the trade. Okay, why next 3 minutes? Because I entered with a 5-minute immediate rebalance. So ideally after immediate rebalance, we want to see the very candle or the next candle expand higher. Expansion. And so that balance price range right there, I want to see it get smoked. Because if we are going higher, anything that was used to send price lower should be dismissed. And because it just looked heavy at the balance price range right there, that's why I just decided to take the partial off. Because in trading it's all about just securing profits and not demanding to be right for every trade. So yep, and there we go. That's this expansion that I want to see, and my stop loss is already moved after I took this partial, and right now risk is removed. Because if it really wants to go higher, it should not need to trade back into that fair value gap. And also I'm buying in quite a premium place based on the high time frame. That's why, well, it should be very explosive right now if it wants to trade higher. And like I said, I want to see the balance price range smoke, and there we go. Balance price range is smoke. And usually when price is just like that, when it displays just like that, currently right now, I'm just always reminding myself to manage risk, focusing on not losing money. So if it displaces, I should manage the risk according to the price action. So right now, my stop is, yes, it's a risk-free position, and also it's very safe because we have a few PD arrays for it to breach before it goes back to my stop. And right there, I want to see that fair value gap not traded fully into. That's why I moved the stop loss right there. Because the balance price range right now should also act like a brick of wall. It should not need to breach it. And also we have the order block right there, we have the premium week C right there, and I'm looking at this volume imbalance, because if it is supported right now, if it acts as support, that is what I want to see. That is price signatures of strength, or else my stop loss is probably in jeopardy, my stop loss is probably in problem. So yeah, that reaction right there of the volume imbalance. Yeah, I'm just checking NQ, and you can see NQ traded to the BC. Dollar's just trading higher, so immediately I moved my stop loss up because the SMT in NQ just confirms that. And immediately when I see the expansion and dollar was trading higher also, so right now I'm just trading my stop loss to wherever I feel comfortable being stop out. Okay, here I am expecting an immediate rebalance. Because we are pretty close to the buy side liquidity, and if it wants to trade into it, it should do so like really explosive. So yeah, just putting my take profit a bit higher so I don't have to care about my take profit. And looks like we did not get the immediate rebalance, and it's a fair value gap, so right now I don't want to see it filled at all. I don't want to see it filled fully. So right there is what I don't want to see, and it just happened, and my stop loss secured me my profits, and yeah, overall a pretty good trade, I would say. Yeah, here typing out that the London loss was mitigated, and yeah, the reasons why I just trailed my stop loss higher right there.